Hello guys, welcome to Easy to Make Design. In this tutorial series, we discuss about Adobe Photoshop CC. And in previous video, we discussed about crop and straighten an image and expand the canvas. Today we'll talk about layers, understand layers, basic things about all the basic useful things about layers. Layers are uh, what is layers and why they are so useful, or to view or select layers in the layer panel and change layer order, create new layer, change layer opacity, delete layers, and many more things we'll discuss in today's video. Okay, so to view or select layers in the layer panel, here's the layer panel in the right hand side. To view and select layers in the layer panel, layer contain images, text, or object. Any object. Here is a rectangle in the form of object. They let you move, edit, and work with content on one layer without affecting content on other layers. Layers are arranged in a stack in the layers panel, which is usually located in the right hand side of the work area. If the layer panel is not visible, choose window and find layers. And here's the shortcut key of layer panel is F7. You can press F7 and your layer panel will be visible. In the layer panel, click the eye icon to the left of the layer to hide its content. See, I click on the text layer and text layer will be text layer is not visible. Click again in the same spot to reveal the content. This is a useful way to remind yourself what's on a particular layer. A layer must be selected in order to make changes to it. In the layers panel, click to add more layers to your selection. In the layers panel, click once to the right of a layer's name to select that layer.
To add more layers to your selection, hold Ctrl for Window or Command for macOS as you click other layers. Now we'll learn about how to change layer orders, create a new layer or change layers opacity or delete layer. So here drag a layer up or down in the layers panel to change the order of layered objects in the image. As here you can see text or shape layer is down to the image layer, so these both are not visible because image layer is is on the top of the both of these layer. To make the visibility we have to drag both layers in the top. create a new layer, click the create a new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel to make a new layer. This layer is transparent until something is added to it. To name a layer, double click the current layer name, type a new name for the layer, or press enter for window or return for Mac. To change a layer's opacity, select a layer in the layers panel and drag the opacity slider located near the top of the layers panel to make the layer more or less transparent. There is a shortcut key of transparent layer or decrease or increase the opacity of the layer is press 1 to 10, any key from 1 to 10. To delete a layer, select a layer in the layers panel and press delete. Today we learn basic things about layers panel. In the next video, we'll discuss how to resize the layer or how to add images to layer design or unlock background layers and many more things we'll discuss in detail about layer panel in the next video. Till then, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for such more videos, and press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Bye.